this good old special sauce, because it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Look at that. Look at that. Cheesy, jalapenos, pickles. Come on, man. Grilled onions and everything under the sun. We know the burger good. We already know how they get down. They get down, it's 100. I swear. Let's see what it tastes like with these jalapenos. Okay, it ain't even as hot as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a devastating, flammable situation. It really just got a good taste on my mama. It just tastes good. It tastes good. It's good.